Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones Beoplay E8Sport. To make a hard reset, press and hold both control buttons on your headphones for at least 10 seconds until this LED light is start blinking red. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device and press and hold controls button until you can see that LED light is blinking blue, like I have right here. Then click on your headphones and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!